Used to be a chair with a bunch of life vests and a propane tank. I have to figure out something for the propane tank. But yeah, this needs to be a little bit more set up for some fishing. This pan is very rusted. Yeah, very rusted. The raw water pump was really bad. All these Seacocks are completely shot, so I'm gonna have to replace all of them. So we're getting rid of all the Seacocks here and the sea strainers. Alright, continued status update. So the alternator is off of the port engine. There's a lot of rust on here. The raw water pump is off of the port engine. The fuel tank started grinding down. There's a lot of rust there. The bases, engine bases, we're starting to take off the bolts on there. There's a lot of rust on there. Now, back here, looks, we've disconnected the running gear from the transmission, or the shaft from the transmission on both sides, so the engine can be lifted. So right here, the shaft is off of the transmission. Exhaust coming out of the turbo here. We need to clean a lot of rust off of this. Yeah, so a lot of work to be done. A lot of work has been done. All the Seacocks are now out. There were freaking 10 Seacocks.
So that is the center. Por el mismo lado. Ok, lo que hace falta es que el motor baje más de aquí y suba de aquí.